This is a video on how to factor trinomials when a equal 1 and a do not equal 1. First off, I'm going to show you a few tips that will help you along the way. First you're going to have to look at this column right here. If you see an addition sign right here, this will tell you either that you have two negatives or two positive. But if you have a negative sign, you have both a negative and a positive in your factoring equation, like this example right here. Now I'm going to show you a real life example. X squared plus 14x plus 40. If you look at this sign, you know that you have two positive in your factory. So x plus a number, then x plus another number. In this case, it will be 4 and 10, because 4 plus 10 equal 14, and then 4 times 10 equal 40, and that would be your correct answer right there. Another example would be x squared minus 11x plus 30. You see that it's the positive, so you look at this number and see if it's going to be a negative number. And in this case, it's going to be two negative numbers in your factor. So x minus a number, x minus another number. In this case, it would be negative 6 and negative 5, because negative 6 times negative 5 equal 30, and negative 6 minus negative 5 equal negative 11. Now I'm going to show you an example when a do not equal 1, like 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. Now that you have a coefficient in front of that x, you're going to have to multiply your c value with your a value. But first you want to draw a t-chart. When you multiply these two numbers, you're going to get 6. But you want to get a number that are going to add evenly into your factor, which is 7, your b value. Now you got to find a greater common factor of this number right here. You start with the lowest, will be 1 and 6. And check to see if that add up to be 7. And that is 7. Now you can move on to the next step, which will be drawing your little box over here. Your first number right here going your first box, and your last number right here going to your last box over here. So you're going to fill that in first. Your 3x squared and your last value, which is 2. And then the numbers you found to that will add up and multiply evenly into both of these, which was 1x and 6x. After you have done this step, you're going to find all the things that are in common with all these values. First, you're going to go sideways with this. So the numbers that are common are the x and 3. Since it's positive, you're going to add. And then the number that is common with these, which is 1. If it do not add up to be equally, you will find out that it will be 1 always. So you're going to go up and down now. The numbers that are common is x, or 1x, plus 2 that is common. Now you're going to go back and simplify this, which would be 3x plus 1, then x plus 2. To check and see if you're right, you're just going to use the FOR method. This is 3x squared, 6x, plus 1x and then times 2. That will simplify to 7x plus 7x plus 2, this number right here. And that would be your final answer right here.